Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. In the last video we have seen introduction part of chapter 3 data handling, and today in this video we are going to start our first exercise 3.1. So students, be ready with your maths textbooks and notebooks, and also in your textbooks take out exercise 3.1. Questions we will see from your textbook, and here I will only give you the solutions. Okay students. So exercise 3.1, we will begin with question number 2 students. Okay, so let us see question number 2. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. So tabular form is clear to you all, na? I have explained you in the last video. Tabular form means you have to arrange the data using table with the help of telemarks. So here you can see below numbers are given. These are marks for class assessment, and also with question number 2 4 points are given. You have to answer those points also. But students, let us begin the first part of the question. Let us solve the first part of the question. First part of the question is we have to arrange the given marks in a tabular form. Let us see students how to solve this question. See, I have already made the table. 3 columns I have made: marks, telemarks, frequency. Clear students? I have given you this example also in the last video, isn't it? So what was given to us? Marks in a class assessment was given. So you can see 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, like that it is simply given. So I told you, whenever to write the data in table, first step is to arrange the given data in ascending order. So see here students, I have arranged the marks in ascending order from 1 to 9. Clear? Okay, then what we have to do? We have to for each number we have to mark the telemark, and then we have to write the number of repetition of each mark. And I made this also clear that number of repetition is known as frequency students. So let us see how to write the telemarks now, how to make the telemarks. I told you the way to see the first mark, it is 4. So go near 4, put 1 stroke, then 6, 7, 5, 3. In the last video, like that only I asked you to mark the telemark. Same thing we are doing here. Then 5, 4, 5, 2, 6. 5, 4, 5, 2, 6. Then 2, 5, 1, 9, 6. 2, 5, 1, 9, 6. Okay. Then 5, 8, 4. So students, now my next mark is 5. Shall I put 1 stroke here? No. I explained you, for 5th bar you are going to put a diagonal telemark like this. Okay. So this is 5, then 8, 4, 6, and the last mark is 7. So students, here for each mark I have put the telemark also. Now let us see how many times each mark is repeated. So how many students got 1? Only 1 telemark, na? That means frequency is 1. 2 marks, how many students got? 2 students. Okay. 3 marks, how many times it is given here? Only 1 time. That means 1 student got 3. 4 is repeated how many times students? You can see 4 is repeated 3 times. Then 5 is repeated 5 times. Okay. 6 is repeated 4 times. 7 is repeated 2 times. 8 and 9 both are repeated 1 time. See students. Now if you want, you can show the total also. Total of what? Total of the number of students. So here I can write as total. Let us see the total. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 1, 20. So students, here the total number of students for whom the marks were given to you is 20. Okay, 20 students were there, and the following marks they have scored. Okay, so we have arranged the data in tabular form using telemark students. Now let us see the first point given. Which number is the highest? Now see, which number is the highest here? Can you answer? Which one is the highest? Which number here? Which mark here is the highest? It is 9. So simply for the first answer it is 9. 9 is the highest number. Second point, which number is the lowest? So students, which number is the lowest here? 1. Let us write here. Then third point, what is the range of the data students? Range we have studied in the last video. Na? The formula to calculate range is highest value minus lowest value. So I will write here highest minus lowest. So See what is the highest value here, students. How much is the highest value? Highest value here is 9 and the lowest value here is 1. So 9 minus 1 will get the range as 8. So the range for this data is 8. Fourth point, students. Find the arithmetic mean. So formula to calculate mean, students. Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Formula, to write the formula is must for you, okay. I am not writing here, I have explained you already. You have to write the formula. Simply I will add the marks and then we will calculate the mean. Okay, so let us calculate the mean for the given marks. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. How many marks are given in total? 9 marks. So, okay. Let us add now. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36 and 9 will be 45. I got 45 as total. 45 upon 9. So, we know 9 5s are 45. So, what is the mean for the given data, students? It is 5. With this, we have completed our second question. I hope the solution is clear to you. First, we have arranged the data in tabular form. Then, we have answered the following points. Okay, now after this, we are going to see question number 3, students. Again, see into your textbook. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. So, students, you have to calculate mean. You know how to calculate mean now, but whose mean you have to calculate? The first 5 whole numbers. So, what are the first 5 whole numbers, students? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the first 5 whole numbers? No. We have studied in the beginning of this chapter that whole number starts from 0, students. So, what will be your first 5 whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, 4 up to 4. From 0 to 4 we will get our 5 whole numbers. First copy this and then we will see our second solution, third solution. So, students, solution number 3. Here I have written first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let us find the mean. Mean is sum of all observations plus number of observations. So, here are the observations and number is 5. So, let us add, students. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. We got total as 10, 10 upon 5. So, on cancelling, we will get the mean of first 5 whole numbers, which is equals to 5. Clear, students? Next question, question number 4. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. So, in 8 innings, the cricketer has scored the following runs, 58, 76, like that. Then what you have to do here? You have to find the mean score. Again, students, you have to find the mean here. Means sum of all observation. What is the observation given? Runs scored by the cricketer is given. So, here the observation is the runs scored by the cricketer. And number of observation will be 8 innings. Let us see how to solve this question. Here simply I have written mean score is equals to sum of all observations, students. Observation क्या है यहाँ पे? Runs. That's why I have written total runs upon number of innings. These many runs he has scored by playing 8 innings. So, let us find the mean now, students. So, again I will write here mean is equals to, and we will add all the runs scored by him, that is 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100. So, students, first add and then you are going to divide it with 8 because total innings are 8. So, after solving this you will get the mean score. So, let us add, students. When you will add the above numbers, you are going to get 400, students. 400 divided by 8, we can cancel it. 8 5s are 40 and this 0. So, what is the mean score of the cricketer? It is 5050. Clear, students? So, this was your question number 4. Now, let us see our next question, question number 5.